Hi, I'm Jessica Cluzeau. I'm an audit partner in our Los Angeles office, as well as the office managing partner. My journey so far has been really exciting, fulfilling, a lot of different opportunities, ups and downs. When I reflect back on this journey, I would like to share with you some key takeaways regarding the difficulties I faced. If I would have been a little bit kinder to myself and being able to let go a little bit more and be less perfectionist, some of the difficult situations I had to face would have been easier to handle. So being able to raise the bar a little bit, not set unrealistic expectations, and really just trying to be yourself and being kind to yourself can help you overcome some of the difficulties you're facing throughout your career. The other takeaway that I would like to share with you today is about accepting failure and acknowledging that really when you fail or when you're facing difficulties and it's difficult to overcome, that's also when you can learn and grow in your professional or personal life. So it's not always easy to accept failure, especially when you're a perfectionist, but in the meantime, when I reflect back on my own journey, that's in the most difficult situation that I really learn about myself, about how to handle these difficulties, about how to avoid these difficulties in the future. And it's really in these situations as well that I developed resilience and acceptance that everything cannot be perfect. As part of the leadership of this firm, being the office managing partner for our Los Angeles location, I've been pulled into many directions, some of them unexpected when I accepted to take on this role. So far, I've been trying to focus some of my time into areas where I believe I can make my mark. You're doing your best and you're giving your best when you're focusing on things that you truly like. So far for me, it's been really focusing time on our people and our team, developing the team, training them, providing them opportunities to grow, to learn, to be challenged, mentoring them, supporting them to get to the next level has been really one of my focus so far and my way to make my mark in my office but also at the firm level. And now it's your turn to make your mark and continue to grow in your career. Bonne chance!